Right then, so today I'm just going to try and fix a board for the very first time. I'm going to use this thing, it's called like epoxy quick stick surfboard repair. So it's basically for very quick repairs, and hopefully I'll be sort of completely finished within sort of an hour and a half. This is basically just so I can get out on the water as quickly as possible. It's obviously not a professional repair at all, but I'm going to see. It is windy, as you can see. Alright, so epoxy quick stick. Let's give it a go. So you can see the first ding here. There you go. So just one on the nose. So that's the first one I'm going to do. So just opening up there. Just going to take the cap off, obviously. So you've got these like caps at the end, and I guess you just take them off. This is literally just by trial and error, all that I'm doing now. So if I get it wrong, then it's not the end of the world. But obviously, so apparently you're not supposed to use too much. There's like two layers. It's like green bit and a grey bit. I think what you do is you try and get a little bit of both. Like not much at all. How do I do this in a better way? Okay. Kind of scraping off just a little bit there. That's probably too much there, but apparently you're just meant to put it in a ball. So you've got it in a ball there. Yeah, I can already tell that that's way too much. It's a massive, quite a big ball. All right. So. So I've just applied it on there. Now I'm just kind of squishing it down as a kind of like sealant. So, just trying to like spread it out right now. Okay. So obviously put it back in the tube after. I'm just going to put this little seal on top as well, actually. Don't know if that really does anything, but cool. And okay, so back in its box. So now I've put it on the sort of the little ding at the front. I'm just going to wait till it sets. I don't know how long it will take. Apparently it's like an hour or so, but I can kind of just leave it and wait. Yeah, let's have a look at that just for now. So you can see it's kind of, I've tried as hard as I can to get it actually in the damaged area, and then like as far in, and then sort of spread it out from there and create like a sort of seal, if you like, by spreading it further out. So I guess that was the benefit of having the excess, but we'll see what happens when it dries, because if you have too much excess, then it becomes vulnerable the next time you hit it. It could rip like the whole thing off. Yeah. Alright, so you can now see this isn't a crack, this is just markings, but then it turns into a crack around here. You can see that there is not great. Then there's a little ding here which I'm going to try and fix. And there, so again I'm going to use the epoxy quick stick to see if I can sort that out. Let's see for any other damp. There's a little bit up here as well. Might just put some dabbles on there. And yeah.